In 1990, Burma's first free elections in decades produced a decisive victory for Aung San Suu Kyi and her party, the National League for Democracy, but the military government refused to give up power. Several years later, in protest of the junta's ongoing human and civil rights violations, the European Union and the United States imposed various sanctions on the country. So did the Commonwealth of Massachusetts. Crosby versus National Foreign Trade Council considered whether a state could do that. In 1996, Massachusetts passed a law barring state entities from buying goods or services from companies that did business with Burma, also known as Myanmar. The statute included a list of banned companies, which included those that were located in Burma, that provided financial services in Burma, or that were involved in the importation of goods controlled by the Burmese government, such as gems, timber, and gas. 3 months later, Congress passed a federal statute imposing sanctions on Burma. This act authorized the president to impose or waive further sanctions on behalf of the U.S. and to cooperate with other nations to create an international approach to bringing democracy to Burma. President Clinton issued an executive order certifying the Burmese government's actions as a national emergency and prohibiting new investment in Burma by United States persons. The National Foreign Trade Council was a nonprofit corporation representing companies engaged in foreign commerce. Many of its members were on Massachusetts' restricted purchase list. The council sued Stephen Crosby, Massachusetts' Secretary of Administration and Finance. It argued that the state law infringed on the federal foreign affairs power and was preempted by the federal law. The district court held that the state law unconstitutionally infringed on the federal government's exclusive authority to regulate foreign affairs. The First Circuit affirmed. The United States Supreme Court granted cert.